Hello friends, welcome to next tutorial HTML element and HTML attribute. Uh, what is a HTML element? HTML element the usually is a consist of a starting tag and end tag with the text with the content. For example, this is a tag and between the content and closing tag, starting tag, content and closing tag. Here is it is an example. Start tag means h1 heading. This is a text content and end tag. So we can say this is a element. Now what is a tag? Tag is the content, your name, surrounding by the angle brackets. So we can say a tag. Okay friends. Next, empty empty HTML element. What is it? It means if the suppose some tag या elements have does not have a content, so we can say a empty st element. For example, br is a example of the empty st element. Here is it. Here it does not contain any text या content. Okay friends. Now attribute. What is attribute? All in html, all element have a some property and value. This property and value called the attributes. Example, I have defining a tag a and closing tag a, anchor and href. This is a url w3. So href and value we can say attribute. Another example is lang attribute. HTML has a element has a value lang and eng. So this is called a attribute. Another example, src, an alternate attribute. Alt. I give you some practical example that will help you for proper understanding. Understand this full tutorial. Let's go to this is a my first last previous example that I already have you explained you in previous tutorial. So again I will for reminding you some um, basic uh, topics. I last tutorial I told you doc means doc type, document type. It contains the value of HTML means it will specify in the which document version we are using. Now I'm not specifying, only specifying HTML means we are using a current version 1. If you are specifying 5 means you are using a HTML version 5. Another is HTML starting tag, HTML closing tag. This is called a root element. Another head contain the is contain title and some scripting value, some JS value. Body is a contain whole structure of web page. Now I'm going to explain a attribute and element. Suppose I'm writing a p. Hi friends, content and close the tag. So this is a tag and this is a closing tag. If tag contain with the starting tag and end tag with the content, it's called the element. Next example, br. Br is example of the empty st element. Next, I am giving an example of anchor href. Suppose I am giving a url of http colon google.com. Link, closing a link. Okay friends, next, now I am run this um, page on browser. Now you can see, I think some mistake. Oh, I forget closing a. Now you can see link. Now when I click on the link, it will open on the same browser. Okay friend. No, now if you, there is another attribute, target equal to underscore blank. Anchor has a href and value. This is called a attribute. Tag, anchor starting tag and closing tag, and tag contain with the text. A content is called a element. Now we can load again a page. You can see now when I click on the link, it will open on the next browser using which property, target underscore blank, using this property. Okay friend, now going to next element, img. Src means source. Close, I close this. Now I have giving up image path. If image on the same folder, you did not give the whole relative path, you only give the name. If you do not have on the same folder, so you give the path of the that folder where your image reside. Now I am loading a page friends. You can see image, and image have some property, height, width. This is called also attribute. Height and width also attribute. Now I am giving another attribute, alt means alternative. What is does it is use? It use when if your image does not reside on that the location, so that time it will alternative show this message. Now you can see, now no image, because I have changed the name. This type of image does not exist on this folder, so that is why it will printing this no image. Okay friends, okay friends, now we can meet you next tutorial. Okay friends, if you like this tutorial, so please like, subscribe and comment, because I will provide you better and simplest way on the tutorial. So please like, subscribe and comment, and click on the bell icon. That will help you for whenever I will upload the video, so it will notifying you. Thanks for watching friends.